Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sejal, also known as the Snatch Chick on Instagram, and आज हम करने वाले हैं एक makeup tutorial, which is step-by-step makeup tutorial and fits into your wedding and festive looks. And this is how it is. And I'll be teaching you all the facts and steps about this makeup look. So stay tuned. चलो शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले मैं अपने बाल सेट कर रही हूँ सो दैट ये बार बार मुँह पर ना आए. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस क्लिप्स. सबसे पहले आई एम यूजिंग दिस एडवांस नील 96 म्यूसिन पावर एसेंस फ्रॉम COSRX एंड now I'm applying my lip balm for those nourished lips, and this is from Dot & Key in the shade Strawberry Red. Next up I'm using this sunscreen from Minimalist. This is a light fluid SPF 50 face sunscreen, and also it is clinically tested, guys. I got it for free from Nykaa in Pink Friday sale, I guess. Yeah. Sunscreen is a must to use before makeup, especially if it is a day function or day makeup look, because it will protect your skin from all that harmful chemicals as well as sun rays, and will provide you a layer. And my skin is already glowing. So starting with this Straub cream from MAC. It will give a glossy look and a glossy shine on my face. So I'm applying it as a primer and applying it all over my face to give that Korean glass glow and also a good base. You might be curious why I'm looking here, because I have my mirror here. So यहाँ पे देख के मेकअप करूँगी and थोड़ा बहुत क्या. Next step is color correcting, and I am using this Mars का contour palette. Not sure about the shade, but let me check on the palette. Sorry guys, I don't know about the shade, but yeah, you can see how it looks. दो shade fix करने वाली हूँ which will match my undertone, and इसको मैं यहाँ अपनी under eyes पे and सब pigmented areas पे लगाऊंगी so that it can give me that even skin. Can you see that shine on my face? It is just because of a perfect skincare and a MAC Straub cream. I will start with the eye makeup now, and for that I am using this concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 03 to give that base on my eyes, and so that the color of the eyeshadow should look the same as it is. Guys, this concealer is one of my favorite concealer. It gives a very good coverage and is very affordable. And this is my go-to concealer for everyday use. And if you want something affordable, I will recommend this concealer to you guys. The base is ready and I'll start with the eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today, and this is from Swiss Beauty, which has 36 colors eyeshadow palette in the shade 02, and this is how it looks. And it has all the necessary colors, and I love this palette. And look how beautiful this palette is. So for the base, I'm using this shade, and I'll apply it all over my eyes, mainly on my eyelids. And using this brush, now I'm using this glittery shade. It has a very light glitter, and this will go with all of, you can see the pigmentation. This will go with all of the wedding or festive outfits. I'll apply directly with my fingers.
Same on the other eye.
Now I'm blending it again, and so that it can give that smooth look on my eyes. And you can see how it looks. Now I'm gonna prepare my base by using this Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 25 from Smashbox in the shade Light Medium. I'm taking a little bit of amount on my hand. And yeah, that's it. I'm taking a stiff brush to blend my tinted moisturizer. And let me tell you a fact why all of the makeup artists use brushes for that blending, because it will give you more coverage and तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज नहीं होगा and वेस्ट भी नहीं होगा. And once you use this and apply all of your foundation on your face, then you can use a beauty blender to blend that strokes and uneven foundation on your face. नेक पे लगाना एंड चेस्ट पे लगाना इसलिए ज़रूरी है सो दैट योर फेस मैचेस विद योर स्किन टोन. अदरवाइज अगर आप नेक या चेस्ट छोड़ोगे तो फिर आपका शेड एकदम अलग लगेगा एंड नेचुरल मेकअप लुक नहीं लगेगा. Now I am using this beauty blender to dab and even all that foundation. So now I'm applying the concealer and this is the one I'm using. This is a concealer from Color Bath. This is a flawless full cover concealer in the shade 002 Chiffon and I'm applying in all the areas that I want to get highlighted and also using this concealer to match the shade. Again, Swiss Beauty. Using this bigger beauty blender to again blend it. It's my base. I'm using this Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Fixer with Vitamin C and Cactus Flower Water. This is one of my favorite fixer and it works very well. Shaking it off and applying it on my face. Now I'm again blending my eyeshadow. Because of the concealer, it gets ruined and only in the outer corners I'm blending it. And yeah. Next up I'm using this Sandry eyebrow pen and it has these strokes which will be very helpful to give that natural finish to your eyebrows, and I'm applying it. Now I'm using this waterproof gel eyeliner from Maybelline. I think this is the perfect brush you can use. Using a makeup fixer on the brush to make my gel liner waterproof and taking an accurate amount. And one more point, you don't have to keep it dry very soon. So yeah, I've closed the container. And let me remove the extra product. and now I'm applying it as a liner, and I'm going to give a wing. Okay. And for blush, I'm using this Benetint from Benefit. It is very pigmented. And you can see the natural glowy look on my cheeks. It basically reduces sebum and oil from your face, and as I get a lot of sweat, my skin gets oily, so I'll be applying it with this, taking some of the product and setting my concealer. I forgot to apply my contour, so again I'm using this palette and using this dark brown shade. Maybe this one will go with my skin tone, so I'm using this shade and mixing a little bit of this as well. Now blending my contour very nicely to give that sharp look to my face. Now I'll dust off all of my powder. I'll be applying these eyelashes. Eyelashes are the best part of makeup look that enhances your makeup and give a whole new look to your face. See the difference with the eyelash and without eyelash. That is why I was saying this is the best part of makeup look. Wait, let me complete my another eye as well. I forgot to apply the kajal, so this is the kajal that I'm going to use. This is purple in shade, you can say indigo, and I think this is from Miniso. Not sure. I got it from Miniso. It's written superfoods. Not sure guys where I got it from. But I'm applying this purple kajal. Purple because it will enhance my eye look and give a pop color on my eyes. So yeah. off my eye look with this mascara from Smashbox. Now some blush again. So I'm using this blush from Lakme in the shade Desert Rose. And yeah, it will give you that sheer glossy look. It has some shiny particles. I told you I'm a blush girly, so I like a lot of blush on the face. Now it's a lipstick turn and I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Choco Nude 03. Nicely, and this shade is really nice. I'm filling my lips with the same lip liner. Now I'm using this lip shade from Color Bar in the shade 17 Corset, and this is a very pretty nude shade. It's applied. Topping it up with this lip shade from Zudio in the shade Nude Pink 01, and let's see how it works. Using this soft pink glittery shade, this second number 1, to use it as my highlighter, and this is the one. And adding this light golden shade on my inner corners to define my eyes. And yeah, my look is complete. I'll keep my hair straight, and if you want it, you can get your curls done however it suits your face. Lastly, I'm fixing my makeup with the same makeup fixer from Urban Decay. Blending all the excess product really nicely and smoothly. And yeah guys, this is the final look. And I hope you like it. Let me give you the close-up. And this is it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you like this look. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching it till the end. And I love you.